Imagine having a personal assistant that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and never gets tired. And what if this assistant could also generate a steady stream of income for you? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the world of Telegram bots. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery of making money with Telegram bots. We have 10 fantastic strategies that can help you turn your bot into a gold mine. Pay close attention, and you might just stumble upon your next big venture. First up is subscription-based content. This involves providing exclusive content or services through your bot in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. It's like having a VIP club right within your bot. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is a popular strategy where you promote other people's products or services through your bot and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the businesses you promote. Another strategy is sponsored messages. This is when you partner with brands or businesses to send promotional messages to your bot subscribers. You get paid for each sponsored message sent, and the brands get exposure to a targeted audience. Moving on, we have in-app purchases. If your bot offers a game or any other interactive experience, you can monetize it by offering in-app purchases. Users can buy virtual goods or access additional features by making a purchase within the bot. Now let's talk about bot consultancy. If you have expertise in building and managing Telegram bots, you can offer your services as a consultant. Businesses or individuals who want to create their own bots can hire you for guidance and assistance. Another strategy is lead generation. You can use your bot to collect valuable leads for businesses. By offering a lead magnet or a freebie in exchange for contact information, you can build a database of potential customers that you can sell to or partner with. Next up is e-commerce. If you have products to sell, you can set up an online store within your bot. Users can browse and purchase products directly through the bot, making it a convenient and seamless shopping experience. Moving on, we have crowdfunding. If you have a project or idea that requires funding, you can use your bot to promote a crowdfunding campaign. You can offer exclusive rewards or perks to your bot's subscribers who contribute to the campaign. Lastly, we have sponsored polls and surveys. Brands or businesses can pay you to conduct polls or surveys within your bot. This allows them to gather valuable market research data while providing your subscribers with engaging content. So there you have it, 10 fantastic strategies for making money with Telegram bots. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and creativity to turn your bot into a profitable venture. But with the right strategies and dedication, you can achieve financial success with your Telegram bot. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable content.